From Office Air Force Base, Oklahoma, the C-17 Globemaster III. Today's demonstration will be flown by pilots Major Dan Crane of Mount Airy, North Carolina. Major Patrick Griffin up in the cockpit with him of Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Major Caleb Morris of Charleston, South Carolina. Loadmaster Staff Sergeant Nelson Jones of Simpsonville, South Carolina. And Staff Sergeant Stephen Bacorum of Muskegon, Michigan. This highly experienced crew has a combined total of over 12,000 flying hours, and here they go! Made its first flight in September of 1991. Since then, the aircraft has set over 30 world records, including payload to altitude, time to climb, and the longest airdrop mission in history. The new H design includes a modern computerized glass cockpit, heads-up displays at both pilot stations, and an advanced cargo handling system, allowing it to operate with a crew half the size of similar cargo-carrying aircraft. Prior to takeoff, a quick system check proved thumbs up. Shortly after takeoff, a quick shakeout as well. And the crew is reporting now that the mighty C-17